We're at the Ulster Folk Museum here today, spraying Icynene to the roof of the joinery workshop. Let's go and see how the guys have got on. If you have a project you'd like our team to have a look at, whether it be a new build, existing build, or even an outbuilding, get in contact with our team and they'll be more than happy to help you.